And to Ishinoni, this is a team of people that say, okay, here's what we're going to do. Then they do it.
The benefits are far greater than I expected entering into the company. And just to be specific, gosh, where do I start? Just the time freedom. You know, it's great to have a plan and know that absolutely the plan works.
It's not how well you're going to do, but how can you help somebody else do well? How can you help somebody else's dreams come true? And when you help other people's dreams come true, your dreams are going to come true. That's how our business is set up. That's how our marketing plan is set up. That's what the founders believe in, and that's what I believe in. And our 8th month in this business, we had gone from financial cancer to financial freedom, and we were free. We made more money in 1 month than I used to make in a whole year, our 8th month in the business. And from there it just kept growing and growing and growing. And today we have a lifestyle that most people only dream about.
It has really blessed our lives. I was able to be home with our daughter and to still do well while doing good. So I was able to make a good income for my family, work on the PTA, work in my community, and do a lot of volunteer work, never miss anything at school, and still make as much money as probably most moms were who were having to leave their children every day.
The greatest part is that T&I gives me the freedom to take my business anywhere I want. I choose to take it to Hawaii. I love living here, and this is a great place for my business.
Because we love it. And the reason we love it is not only can we go with family and friends, we can take people in our business with us on these trips because they're making money and they're getting healthier as well. And that is totally exciting to me, totally exciting.
This is what life to me is all about, being able to do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do it.